What are you doing, Arnie?
There's a spider on your shoulder.
Where?
It's gone now. I got it.
You called that a spider?
You didn't see it. It was big.
I'll make you a spider.
Right, I won't need this then.
No, I don't think so.
Okay, I'll get rid of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to start with 260 balloon
Right.
to make the body of the spider.
Okay.
I'm going to make a bubble
Yep.
about 25 centimetres long.
Right.
Another one.
Yep.
Roll the third bubble through those two.
Right. Yes.
And the fourth bubble.
Right.
Use the knot of the end of the balloon to lock that one into place.
Okay. Knot it up.
Then a small pinch twist.
A small pinch switch.
I'll use that as an anchoring point.
Right.
And break off what's left. Make sure you tie it around so it doesn't come undone. But a pinch twist would generally hold your balloon because it's fairly tight, so it can hold your balloon there. So there I have the spider body.
Right.
If you'll hold it for me,
Yeah. Okay.
I'm now going to form spider legs.
Spider legs.
I'm going to take a 160 balloon.
Right.
I've leaving about 5 centimetres uninflated.
Mm-hmm.
Softened it. I won't use the whole balloon, but I'll use half it to make the legs.
Okay.
So a leg, followed by a pinch twist. Then the top of the leg. They're both about 10 centimetre bubbles. Then the other side, another pinch twist. So you have a big bubble, pinch twist, big bubble, pinch twist.
Yep.
One more big bubble, the same as the first bubble.
Another big bubble.
Twist it,
Yep.
then discard what's left.
Right.
You're
Go on.
breaking it or cutting it. Tie it off.
Yep.
And there you have a lovely pair of legs.
Oh, they're a lovely pair of legs.
You like them?
Yep.
Now I'm going to put these legs onto the body.
Yep. Spider needs some legs.
I'm going to push this leg through the smallest bubble, which was a roll through bubble,
Right.
through to the midpoint to put the set of legs through the body. So force it open.
Right.
Reform if it's come undone. Straighten out. And there you have the first pair of spider legs.
Yeah, they're pretty good.
I'm going to make another 3 sets of spider legs. How many legs does a spider have, Arnie?
6.
No.
No. 7.
No.
Maybe 9.
Come on, Arnie.
No, I think it's 8.
That's right, 8
Yeah.
legs. So you need to make another 3 sets, the same as its first set,
Right.
to go onto the body.
Okay.
I've pre-made the other 3 sets, so I'm going to put them onto the body. So there you have the 4 sets of legs
Yep.
on either side of the body. 8 legs.
8 legs.
You want to hold him,
Right.
so I'm going to make the mandibles by
Yep.
using this 160 balloon about halfway up. Going to form a 5 centimetre bubble, followed by a pinch twist. And then a 3 centimetre bubble, another 3 centimetre bubble, another pinch twist, and finally another 5 centimetre bubble to finish it off. So you have a 5 centimetre bubble, pinch twist, 3 centimetre bubble, 3 centimetre bubble, pinch twist, and make the last bubble the same size as the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Discard what you don't need.
Yeah. And now we've got to put that on the spider.
That's right.
Mandibles on the spider with 8 legs.
That's right. So have the spider back. Thank you,
Yes.
Arnie. And simply take the midpoint of your 3 centimetre bubble, so the middle section there. Going to wedge that onto this pinch twist I made on the body. Stretch it. And wedge it.
And that's it.
Now, your legs come undone like they have here. I'm going to These 160s can come apart, but pads keep them fairly tight. Okay, so he has mandibles, legs, a body.
a body.
So I'm going to make some eyes. I have a white 260Q, which I've pre-made by blowing up 10 centimetres and then tying it into a circle and pinch twisting as I've done here. The same I did for the frog and eyes on the other animals.
Yeah, right.
So I'm now going to put those eyes onto this pinch twist simply by taking the knot and wedging around that pinch twist once again. And around the mandibles, back up, and let it go. Okay, take out my texture.
Mm-hmm. And finish the eyes off.
And give it a couple of spider eyes. And there he is.
Yeah, he's a beauty. Oh, I'm not even scared of this one.
You're probably scared to around with it.
Yeah, I could put it on the kitchen bench. Yeah, that'd make a scream.
Yeah, let me know how it goes.
Yeah, good old sporty whitey. Anyway, this is our last sculpture for the intermediate series. So we might have to do a expert one next, eh?
You want one?
Yeah.
Let's do one.
Are you ready for it out there to do an expert one? Okay, Pastor Daron and I will make one then. Okay, we'll catch you later. Happy ballooning.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, you bet. See ya.